Dear students, a very good morning. Now we are going to discuss some problems from contour integration. Contour integration, CON integration. Contour integration. On this we are going to discuss now on first type. Okay, type 1 is for unit circle of the form 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta comma theta d theta. Okay, now the question is take the question. The problem is evaluate right evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 2 plus cos theta by contour integration. So here comes the solution. So they have given the problem to evaluate. So to evaluate integral over 0 to 2 pi d theta by 2 plus cos theta by contour integration on the region enclosed by the unit circle modulus of z equal to 1. Why I have taken this modulus of z equal to 1 means, so see the 0 to 2 pi denotes 0 to 360 degree. First thing. Second thing is it is a complete circle. 360 degree, it is a complete circle. So we have taken the minimum definition of a circle is to be center 0, 0 and radius 1 as far as contour integration is considered. So we have taken modulus of z since it is unit circle. Okay, since it is unit circle, we have taken r equal to 1. So what is r equal to 1 means? It is modulus of z equal to 1 because we have taken the radius along x-axis. So we will have this radius in all the sides common. Okay, well, in the same way the center is 0, 0. So we will have a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. So center will be 0, 0 and radius will be 1. So we are having modulus of z equal to 1. Now we have to assume some parameters. The first thing is let z equal to e power I theta. Z equal to e power I theta. Then what will happen on differentiation? We will get dz equal to I e power I theta. I e power I theta d theta. That is equal to I z d theta. Here we will have dz. It implies d theta equal to dz divided by iz. Next thing, cos theta. So how to get cos theta? See, I am having z equal to e power I theta, that is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and what will be 1 by z? 1 by z will be e power minus I theta. Why? Because see, I am taking this as 1 by e power I theta, that is e power of minus I theta, that is one thing. So that is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, so we will have z plus 1 by z equal to 2 cos theta, and z minus 1 by z equal to 2I sin theta. So if I want cos theta, I will have z square plus 1 divided by 2z, and if I want sin theta, I will have z square minus 1 divided by 2iz. So this is my cos theta, and this is my sin theta. Okay, the another way of getting the value is, I shall show it here. See, z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then 1 by z equal to cos 1 by z equal to 1 divided by cos theta plus I sin theta into cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos theta minus I sin theta. So we will have cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos square theta, then a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is minus I square sin square theta. So we will have cos theta minus I sin theta divided by cos square theta is here and minus I square sin theta. What is the value of I square? I square value is minus 1. So we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta. Since the value of I square equal to minus 1. Okay, so we will have 1 by z equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. So this is another way of writing the values of the parameters. Okay, now we have to consider the given function, and we have to write is what they have given integral over 0 to 2 pi integral over 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 2 plus cos theta, that is equal to we will have dz, since d theta equal to dz divided by iz integral over c into 2 plus what is the value of cos theta? Z square plus 1 divided by 2z. So this will become integral dz divided by iz into z square plus 4z plus 1 divided by 2z, and that is equal to integral 2z divided by iz into z square plus 4z plus 1 into dz. So now we can cancel both the z. We can cancel z and z. So we will get integral dz 2 into dz divided by I into z square plus 4z plus 1, that is equal to 2 by I into integral dz divided by z square plus 4z plus 1, and let the factors of this be 2 by I into integral dz. See, just a minute, I shall write it separately. Let 2 by I integral over c dz divided by z square plus 4z plus 1 equal to 2 by I integral dz divided by z minus alpha into z minus beta. Okay, so we will have the factors of z square plus 4z plus 1 in the form of z minus alpha and z minus beta. So we shall factorize that z square plus 4z plus 1 equal to z minus alpha into z minus beta. I am going to evaluate this z equal to minus b, that is minus 4, plus or minus root of b square is 16 minus 4ac is 4 divided by 2a is 2. So z equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 12 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 3 into 4 means you will have 2 root 3. It will be 2 root 3 divided by 2. So we are having z equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. Okay, so we will have 2 by I into integral over c dz divided by z minus alpha is minus 2 plus root 3, and thus another term is z minus minus 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 by I into integral over c interval over C, z minus alpha and z minus beta. So I think it is not necessary once again to mention it, since we have already mentioned it in the above step. So we shall directly take alpha equal to minus 2 plus root 3 and beta equal to minus 2 minus root 3. This is equal to minus 2 plus the value of root 3 is approximately equal to 1.732 equal to 1.732. So we will have value of root 3 is 1.732. So we will have minus 2 plus 1.732, and here we will have minus 2 minus 1.732. So that is equal to minus 2 plus 1.732 is minus 0.268. okay, yes, 0.268. if we substitute 732 means 8 plus 2 is 10, balance 1, 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, balance 1, we will get 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So the value is minus 0.268. Value is minus 0.268, and this is equal to minus 3.732. So now we have to take the smallest values for alpha and beta. So it implies modulus of alpha equal to 0.268 and modulus of beta equal to 3.732. okay, so they imply modulus of alpha less than 1 and modulus of beta greater than 1. Why we have tested this one? Because we have taken, since modulus of z equal to 1 is the region of integration. okay, so within this region the values would lie. okay, this is the valid region of this integration. okay, now so this is a unit circle. okay, so we can write z minus alpha is the simple pole lies inside C, that is lies inside, that is lies inside modulus of z equal to 1, and z equal to, second thing is z equal to beta is the pole lies outside, it is a simple pole, lies outside C, that is lies outside modulus of z equal to 1. So we know that if the residue lies outside, if the pole lies outside means then its residue will be 0. Therefore Therefore we will have residue of f of z at z equal to beta equal to 0. Okay, whereas we are having the formula residue of f of z at z equal to alpha is given by, it is a simple pole, so we will have limit z tends to alpha, z minus alpha into f of z. So we will have what is our f of z? What is our f of z? To have f of z, we shall now consider integral over c or integral 0 to 2 pi d theta divided by 2 plus cos theta equal to integral over c, it is dz divided by what are the things we are having now? Two by I. So we are having 2 by I, that is equal to 2 by I integral over c dz divided by z minus alpha and z minus beta. Z minus alpha into z minus beta. So we will have residue of f of z at z equal to alpha is given by limit z tends to alpha. So what is f of z here? F of z is equal to 2 by I divided by z minus alpha, but we will have the value for alpha. For our easiness and for our convenience only, we have taken that value to be alpha. Okay, and z minus beta. So we will have z minus alpha into f of z value is f of z divided by z minus alpha into z minus beta. Okay. So limit z tends to z minus a into f of z. The value of f of z is this is 2 by I. This is 2 by I. So we are having 2 by I here. So the value is given by equal to 2 by I divided by z minus alpha into z minus beta. These two z minus alpha will get cancelled. And we will have 2 2 by I into 1 divided by alpha minus beta. Okay, alpha minus beta, that is equal to 2 by I into alpha minus beta. What is our alpha here? Our alpha value is minus 2 plus root 3. Beta value is minus 2 minus root 3. So we will have minus 2 plus root 3 value of alpha minus 2, then the value of beta. Minus 2 minus root 3. Minus 2 minus root 3, that is equal to minus 2 . So this is the thing we are getting now. So 2 divided by I into minus 2 plus root 3. So you have to do carefully with this. I shall write it in the downwards. So that is equal to 2 by I that is equal to 2 by I into 1 by alpha minus beta, that is 1 divided by alpha minus beta is alpha values minus 2, then minus 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3. Minus 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 2 plus root 3 into minus 2 minus root 3. So this is now the required thing, but it can be further simplified. That is, we will have 2 divided by I into minus 2 will become 0, and root 3 minus, in between we will have minus root 3 is 2 root 3. So 2 by I divided by 1 divided by 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So get This is our residue of f of z. Residue of f of z at z equal to alpha. Okay, 2 by I into 1 by 2 root 3. Okay, so here what will happen? This one, this two will get cancelled. That is equal to 1 divided by I root 3. 1 divided by I root 3. So now we have to calculate. Integral d theta divided by 2 plus cos theta 0 to 2 pi. Okay, equal to so what will come? Equal to integral over C will have 1 divided by Iz dz divided by Iz divided by Iz into z plus 1 into, sorry, it is z plus 2 into z plus 3, I think. Let's check the question. We will have so we will have, see the values we will have to check. So this is equal to integral of C 1 by z dz divided by Iz divided by Iz into the values for 2 plus cos theta. The values for 2 plus cos theta is given by there is no derivation before, so we have to derive it for the first time in this problem. So we will have 2 plus cos theta is, so here I shall write Iz into z square plus 4z plus 2. Plus cos theta equal to z square plus 4z plus 1 or 2. What was that? Z square plus 4z plus 1. We will have 1 because previously we have solved it for 1. So we will have 1. So here we have to get the answer 2 pi I into integral over C f of z 2 pi into integral over C, 2 pi into integral over C, it is here integral over C f of z dz equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues I equal to 1 to n or I. So residues Okay, now R1 is given by, the residue is given by, see, residue at z equal to, residue at z equal to alpha equal to, what is given, 1 divided by I root 3, 1 divided by root 3 1 plus I root 3. So we will have modulus of z minus alpha, that is equal to modulus of z minus alpha. So we will have no, it is not modulus of z minus alpha. We shall solve a problem directly. Integral over c f of z dz equal to 2 pi I into summation of residues, that is 1 divided by I root 3. This is R1 and R2 is 0. That is for beta you will have 0. You will have 0. That is 2 pi divided by root 3 integral over c d theta, integral over c d theta divided by 2 plus cos theta equal to 2 pi by root 3. So in the same way, when it is asked for sin theta, you can do. When it is asked for both cos theta and sin theta, you can do. So if suppose I am having, if suppose we are given 0 to pi f of cos theta comma sin theta d theta, instead of if, okay, instead of integral 0 to 2 pi f of cos theta comma sin theta d theta, then what we have to do? We have to check. Then if f of 2a minus theta equal to f of theta, okay, f of theta, then integral 0 to pi f of cos theta comma sin theta d theta can be written as 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 2 pi of f of cos theta comma sin theta into d theta. Okay, so for this type is not a next type. This is one special occasion where instead of 0 to 2 pi you will have 0 to pi. See, listen, this f of theta is nothing but f of cos theta comma sin theta. Okay, if I want to mention the function in terms of two different things, that is cos theta and sin theta, I will write the function like this. Okay, I will represent the function as f of cos theta comma sin theta. If I want to write these two under a same roof, I will have f of theta, because cos theta is a function of theta, sin theta is also a function of theta, so f of theta. So both these are same. Okay, for this type we will see the problem tomorrow. Thank you all for watching this video.